My name is Sig and this is my channel, and today we're going to be discussing the diagonal stitch. This is the old school name. Many of you might know this stitch by the newest name, even though it's not that new, but corner to corner. Corner to corner is the name that most people know this stitch by. It's kind of a tricky stitch, but it's a great stitch. And there's lots of people who do some great illustrative pieces using that stitch. It's strong, it's fast, it makes a nice textured fabric, and it really has a lot of different applications. So before we get started with today's tutorial, I would like to remind you that I'm always open to comments, suggestions, questions. Just leave those in the comment box below. Also, if you have anything that you'd like to learn or a tutorial that you're interested in seeing, drop me a line, throw it in the comment box. I'll see what I can do for you. Also, if you found value in this video, help me grow my channel. Hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to also hit the notification bell. That really helps a lot too. It allows you to receive all my latest videos that I drop, and it helps the algorithms for me. Otherwise, let's get started. So to get started, I'm going to chain 6. I'm going to do 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. And then a double crochet in each additional chain. And turn my work, and I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2. And then I'm going to do a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. And 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. And then I'm going to work a slip stitch in the space between the 3 doubles and the 3 chains of the previous square. So we're going to do a slip stitch right here in between this 3 chain and these 3 doubles. So your work is going to look like this so far. Then I'm going to chain 3. And I'm going to work 3 doubles in that same chain 3 space. Then I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to chain 6. And I'm going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. And then I'll double crochet again in the next chain. And again in the next chain. Then I am going to do a slip stitch in that space between the 3 chains and the 3 double crochets in the previous square. And then I will chain 3. And then I will double crochet 3 more in that space. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my slip stitch in that next space between the 3 chains and the 3 double crochets of that square. I'm going to chain 3, and then I am going to double crochet 3 in that space. Then so now you can kind of see where we're going. So this is where I started. This is the bottom corner, and these are the sides that we're working up. And now that I've already made my 3 squares in this row, so we started off with 1 square, then we had 2 squares, now we have 3 squares. This is where I turn my work again at the end of this row, and then I single or chain 6. And then I'm going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. And then again, I'm going to double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then I'm going to slip stitch in that space between the chain 3 and the 3 double crochets of the previous square. Chain 3. And then I'm going to double crochet 3 in that space. And I'm going to slip stitch again between the 3 chains and the 3 double crochets, and I'm going to chain 3 and I'm going to double crochet. Three double crochets in that space. And I'm going to slip stitch, chain 3, okay, so we got that. And now once that you've reached the desired width, we're going to turn our work and we're going to omit the 6th chain, right? So instead of chaining 6, we're going to slip stitch in the 3 doubles across that last square that we just completed. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to chain 3. And as you can see, that brought us back to that space between the chain 3 and the 3 double crochets. And we're going to work as usual and do the 3 doubles in that space. And then we're going to slip stitch, chain 3, and then 3 doubles. Slip stitch again, chain 3, and then 3 doubles. And then slip stitch, so I'm going to turn and I'm going to do my slip stitch, and 3, I'm going to chain 3, and I'm going to double crochet in that chain 3 space of the square that was previously worked. One, 2, 3. Okay, so now you can see where we're coming back down to our last square. So we had 2 squares in this row, 3, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that'll give us a nice square shape. So I'm going to do 3 slip stitches. I just finished the one and second, and then the third. And then chain 3. And then the last 3 doubles in that chain 3 space. And then we finish off with a slip stitch. And that is your diagonal stitch, also known as corner to corner. Thank you for spending this time with me today. It's always a pleasure. Have a fantastic day. Now go be crafty.